Why would an infinite God care if I go to church on Sunday or not? Like, who cares, man? God's love, man, and that's enough. And you hear that enough. Trust me, I hear it all the time as a priest. And I actually say, no, it's precisely because God loved you that he cares.
These quotes all tie in wonderfully with the approach I'm trying to take, turning to the church to magnify our understanding of the human person.
It goes like this. It means that a papal definition is not true because the Pope teaches it. It's the opposite. He teaches it because it is true.
Now, Peterson comes right up the middle. He says that's not what the text is about. You totally misunderstand why the text exists.
In treating prudence, both Maritain and O'Connor draw from Aquinas. It matters not only what a man does, but also how he does it.
So imagine what this might have been like. So you're a Catholic Englishman before the Act of Supremacy.
So he saw in his pre-papal work to show the unity between objective reality and subjective experience.
By far the majority view among natural philosophers or scientists of Darwin's own day, the idea that the various human races actually constituted different human species.
And so the final goal of the Christian life is our transformation into the image or likeness of the Heavenly One.